Welcome to another exciting tutorial. Today I'll show you how to use a water level sensor module with the Arduino board. This project is perfect for monitoring water levels in tanks, in aquariums, or even detecting water leaks. So by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how the sensor works, but also create a live demonstration using the Arduino board. So let's get started. This right here is a water level detection sensor module. It has a series of conductive traces that detect the presence of water. So as water touches these traces, the sensor outputs an analog signal that corresponds to the water level. It's super simple to use, and it has 3 pins. We have the VCC, which connects to the power on the Arduino board. We have the GND, which connects to the ground on the Arduino board, and we have the signal which outputs the water level as an analog signal. To demonstrate, we'll connect the water level sensor to an Arduino Uno board. So here's what you need. You'll need a water level sensor module, which is what we have right here with us. You also need an Arduino Uno board. We have the Arduino Uno R3 board right here with us. And lastly, you will need the jumpers to connect your sensor into your Arduino Uno board. What you need to do is connect the VCC, which is, if you look closely, it's the black wire, which is the middle pin on the sensor, which connects to the 5V on the board. And then we have the GND, which is demonstrated by the white wire on our sensors, which is the first wire, and it's connected to the ground, so the GND on the Arduino board as well. And lastly we have our brown wire here. This one will connect to our analog A0 pin on the board. Now let's write some code to read the water levels data and display it. You can go ahead and open your IDE and type the following code that you'll be seeing on your screen. This code will read the analog signal and it will map it to its percentage, and it will display the water level in the serial monitor. Now that everything is set up, we have everything we need. Let's upload our code, and then let's test our sensor. We have here a glass of water. We will be submerging our sensor in. As we submerge the sensor into water, you'll see on the screen that the percentage will start changing in the serial monitor. The deeper the sensor goes, the higher the percentage. You can see the readings adjust dynamically as I raise and lower the sensor. This setup, as I mentioned, is great for monitoring water levels in tanks. It's also great for detecting leaks in basements or rooftops. It's for automating irrigation systems. It's also good for building DIY water management systems. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to measure water levels using the Arduino Uno board and the water level sensor module. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching.